Good afternoon, pupils. How are you today? You are welcome to today's lesson. What we have on the board is mathematics. Today's date is 29th May 2020, and today's topic is multiplication using repeated addition. Again, multiplication using repeated addition. In our previous lesson, we treated on this same topic, but in a different dimension. For instance, we are given a question like add groups of 4 eggs. Add 2 groups of what? 4 eggs. 2 groups of 4 eggs simply means 2 times 4. 4 eggs into 2 places, that is 2 groups of 4 eggs. You bring 4 eggs into 2 places and you count the eggs together to get your answer. Then today's topic, multiplication using repeated addition, but in a different way now. Examples. We have example number 1. 2 girls have box times box equal to box eyes. The question again. 2 girls have box times box equal to box eyes. When you have this kind of question, the first question you ask yourself is, how many girls are we talking about? Children, how many girls are we talking about? How many girls are written on the board here? 2 girls. Now write 2 in the first box here. You write 2 in the first box. Then you ask yourself another question. A girl has how many eyes? Since we are talking about girl, we have how many eyes? For instance, let me use myself as an example. I'm now a girl. How many eyes do I have? Let's count. 1, 2. How many eyes do I have? 1, 2. So one girl, we have 2 eyes. One girl, we have how many eyes? 2 eyes. We write it in the second box. Then we now have something like this. 2 times 2. 2 times 2. For you to get your final answer, you multiply 2. 2. Multiply 2 by what? 2. 2 times 2 simply means what? 2 into 2 places. It simply means what? 2 into 2 places, or 2 into 2 groups. 2 groups of 2. 2 plus 2. 2 times 2 simply means bringing out these 2 into 2 places, which is 2 plus 2. You can use your 0 to represent the numbers that you've written. 1, 2. 1, 2. Are you following? Good. Then you count everything together. You count your zeros what? Together to get your final answer. And let's count together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our answer is what? 4. So 2 girls have 2 times 2 this question. 2 girls have box times box equal to box eyes. That was our question. For you to get your correct answer, the first question you ask yourself is, how many girls are we talking about? How many girls is written here? We have 2 girls. Then you write the number of first what? Box. You ask yourself another question. One girl has how many eyes? I use myself as an example. I have how many eyes? I have 2 eyes. 1, 2. Second box. Then you have something like this. 2 times 2. 2 times 2 simply means 2. These 2 into 2 groups. or 2 into 2 places, which is 2 plus 2. We used 0, 0 to represent our numbers. 1, 2, 1, 2. After that, you count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And our answer is what? 4. So 2 girls has 4 eyes. Number 2 question. Number 2 example. 5 dogs have box times box equal to box legs. How many dogs? 5 dogs. You ask yourself, how many dogs are we talking about here? Children, how many dogs are here? We have 5 dogs. You write it in your first box. 5. You ask yourself another question. Children, I hope you have seen a dog before. A dog has how many legs? A dog has 4 legs. So a dog has 4 legs. You write that 4 in this second box. And you have something like this. 5 times 4. For you to get your answer, you will multiply 5 by what? 4. Which means into 5 places, or 5 into 4 places to get your answer. Let's do it together. We are going to bring out 4 into 4 places, or 4 into 4. We're going to bring out 4 into 5 places for us to get our correct answer. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. You count to be sure that your number of 4 are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you use your 0, 0, 0 to represent your numbers. You can use strokes. You can make use of any objects you have with you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Children, I hope you are still following. Then you count all these zeros together. Count them together to get your correct answer. I count with me. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So our answer is what? 20. So 5 dogs will have 20 legs. Are you still following? Okay, we come down to the next question. Father and mother. Father and mother have box times box equal to box ears. Father and mother have box times box equal to box ears. You can see we don't have any number written. But this father and mother, they are how many people? How many people are we talking about here? Since there is no number to represent them, but you have father and mother. How will you know the number of people you are talking about? You count the number of people mentioned. Father is what? 1. Mother is what? 2. So the number of people we are talking about are 2. You write it in the first box. Are you still following? You now ask yourself, how many ears does my father have? How many ears does my father have? You count. 1, 2. Every human being has 2 ears. Whether it's your father or your mother, even you yourself, you have 2 ears. So your father will have 2 ears. You write 2 here. Then you have something like this now. 2 times 2. 2 times 2 means what? 2 into 2 places. Or 2 into 2 groups. We bring out 2 into 2 groups. Let's do it together, children. 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. You count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our answer is what? 4. So father and mother have how many ears? 4 ears. Do you understand? Are you following? Alright. Let me go through what we've done so far. Number 1 example we have done so far. Remember our topic is multiplication using repeated addition. And these are our examples. Number 1 example says 2 girls have bust and box equal to box ears. Girls have bust and box equal to box eyes. You first of all ask yourself, how many girls are we talking about? How many girls are we talking about, children? You have 2 girls. You write the number of girls in the first box. A girl has how many eyes? A girl has how many eyes? A girl has only got 2 eyes. You write it here. Then you now say 2 times 2. 2 times 2 means what? 2 into 2 places or 2 groups. Look at it here. 2 plus 2 is the same thing as 2 times 2. And we added everything. It gave us 4. Number 2 example. 5 dogs have box times box equal to box legs. 5 dogs. The first question you ask yourself is, how many dogs are we talking about? Children, how many dogs are we talking about? 5. You write the 5 in your first box. Then you've seen a dog before, or who have not seen a dog before? So it is assumed that all of us have seen a dog before, and a dog normally has 4 legs. So a dog has 4 legs. You write the number of legs in this second box, and then you multiply it by 5. 5 times 4 simply means bringing out 4 into 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you use 0, 0 to represent it, and you will get your answer when you count them. Number 3 example. Father and mother have both. Remember that what we are doing is multiplication using repeated addition. And in our first example, we have 2 girls have box and box equal to 4 ears. Remember that what we are doing is multiplication using repeated addition. And in number 2 example, we have 5 dogs have box and box equal to 20 legs. 4 into 5 places, bringing out 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 into 5 places, and you will get your answer. 4 equal to 20. Call multiplication. Then 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 into 5 places is what we call repeated addition. Then number 3, father and mother have box and box equal to box ears. Father and mother are 2 people, so you write 2 here. And each person have 2 ears. So 2 times 2 here is what? Multiplication. For you to get this answer, you will have to make use of repeated addition, which is what? 2 into 2 places. That means 2 plus 2 to get your answer. Question. Okay. Since you don't have any question, let me ask you my own question. What is the topic for today? Our topic today is what? Multiplication using repeated addition. This here, is it multiplication or repeated addition? From here, it is what we call multiplication. And down here is what we call repeated addition. Do you understand? Okay. Then we move over to today's homework. Number one question says, 3 squares have box times box equal to box sides. 3 squares have box times box equal to box sides. Number two, 6 chairs have box times box equal to box legs. 6 chairs have box times box equal to box legs. Number three, 6 birds have box times box equal to box wings. 6 birds have box times box equal to box wings. Then number four, Obi, Ngozi, and Ada have box times box equal to box ears. Number five, 8 goats have box times box equal to box tails. So you have to do this homework carefully by following our own example. Do you understand? Thank you. This brings us to the end of this lesson today. With this brings us to